How to add pictures to your Wix gallery. So here from the dashboard of Wix, I've just clicked on Edit Site, which is taking me to the Wix website editor. If we want to add pictures to our gallery, we will simply hover over Media here from the left-hand side, and we're going to click on Media. Now you will see an option to upload your media, so we can either upload media from our computer, from Facebook, Instagram, Google Drive, or Google Photos. I will do from our computer directly here, so I'm going to click on Upload Media, and then I will choose Upload from Computer. Now I'm going to choose a sample image from my desktop, and I've simply double-clicked on it, and this will begin the process of uploading this picture onto my Wix gallery. Once it has been added, we can crop and edit this, adjust it, we can create a video, we can cut out its background, or we can add it to our page. I've clicked on Add to Page, and now I have this image added onto my Wix website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.